So this is the balancer puller and installer I bought. So let's look inside. These pins here are for the various size of the threads in your crankshaft, and these are the various size of bolts for the threads in the pulley, or in the balancer actually. And how you do is, like, when you want to pull out the balancer, you just thread this in. First of all, you put on this here. This is the one that fitted in my Ford 390.
So this is the width.
So this one is going like this. And these are the bolts that fitted into my balancer, which you then thread in here, and here, and here. And when this is connected to the balancer, what you do is you turn this here, which will then draw out the balancer from the crankshaft. When you are installing it again, you are actually using this same tool. But now you thread this one this way, here, this one into the crankshaft, and then you just use it this way, and this here will press the balancer into its place. Very simple. Yes. This was the easiest way to do it. As you can see, this is coming very easily. It's always nice to have the right tools. There it is. I'm just gonna grease this slightly. And put some grease as well inside the balancer here. So now it's in the right position. And I'm gonna use my new tool to install this. And almost everybody I have watched or talked to, they recommend not to use the bolt to press in or hammer it. Using the bolt, you risk to ruin the threads in the crankshaft, and then you are in a big sheet. You place this with this, as you can see, it's like this, and you have the bolt here. Actually, it's almost like you can do it by hand. And this is going in very easily. And when it bottoms, it bottoms. And the harmonic balancer is installed. Nice. And then the shop manual says torque you up to specification. And when I try to look for specification, there is no specification. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna torque you it up to 30 Newton or circa 25 foot-pounds. And I can even take it a little bit more. Let's see if I manage to torque you this bolt to the specification. It's supposed to be, yeah, I have my torque is 110 Newton, which is the maximum. So it's somewhere like 80 foot-pounds. Yeah. So what I can show you now is how I made it possible. I found a hole in the flywheel. I put this into the hole and then I kind of pressed it like this with this hammer. This was enough me to be able to torque you the crankshaft bolt.